Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit in RedotPay with the help of your debit or your credit card. So in order to do it, first of all, simply launch your RedotPay application and then sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, if you don't have an account on RedotPay yet, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up. This way you are going to get $5 as a reward bonus absolutely for free. So here, when you inside your RedotPay application, you just have to simply tap on the option of deposit on the home page. Now you can deposit the currency either in the form of crypto or the fiat currency. So you need to select the option of crypto because this way it will be very easy for you to deposit. Simply tap on the option of USDT or USDC. Then you are going to see the second option of buy crypto with the help of your Visa card, MasterCard, PayPal and Apple Pay. So you need to select this particular option. Now over here, simply enter the amount that you want to deposit. So let's say I want to deposit 200 USD. Now it is going to show you the conversion of your USD into USDT. So if I want to add 200 USD, I'm also going to get only 193 USDT. So over here, select the option of credit and the debit card and then simply press continue. Afterwards, on the next page, you need to provide your credit card or your debit card details and simply make the payment. So when the payment is completed from your end, you are going to see the money deposited inside your RedotPay account. So for security purposes, it may not allow to show the details. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.